Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, the dollar yen is going out pretty strong. I still think that it looks like it should either be an A, B, C like this, or possibly struts out into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So I'm still looking at that move up as possibly being a crutch into this last move down. And luckily, we're definitely looking for longs, and if it does decide to just keep on going, that's definitely not going to affect me in any negative way. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is an A. I think this is an A, B, C of B. I still think there's a pretty good chance at some point it will turn down for a wave C. Now, sometimes wave Bs can take out the high of the previous move, which is why we will continue to trade with the trend until the market tells us otherwise. Going down to the daily time frame, the trend is definitely up. Now, my target for an expanding flat was actually way down here at the 161, 178, which we way beyond that now. My second target for an expanding flat is the 278, 261.8, which is all the way up at the 161, 160 area. So at this point, I'm definitely very bullish and I'm definitely looking for longs. I would have to see a pretty significant break of structure like this to turn back into a seller. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, if it breaks this structure right here, then we'll at least know that this whole trend from here to here is over. Until it actually does break any structure on these higher time frames, we have to look at any moves we see to the downside as nothing beyond a correction to the last wave up, and we have to continue to trade with the trend at least until we get a break of structure on the 4 hour time frame and up to the downside. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, I don't know if that it's going to go down now. It honestly could just keep on drifting up. But if it does go down, if it does give us a break of structure, the first thing I would do is put my Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move up. Then I would observe the market to see if it makes three waves down or some sort of a recognizable correction. And then a Fibonacci bounce with a nice engulfing move to the upside. But like I said, it doesn't even have to go down and break structure. I'm just saying if it does break structure, I will put my Fibonacci on there and I will look for a long at the end of a three-way pullback for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.